Install heating column and help arm. Connect the power supply and air supply. Install centering block. Aim it to the turntable century, then lock it. Press tile with bead brake to the side as rim's smallest diameter. Move heating arm backwards. Open clamp to a position wide, then rim diameter. Press rim with centering block. Step pedal twice. Raise centering block and lock rim tightly. Lock and position demounting head tightly. Press tile under demounting head. Rotate the turntable, separate rim and tile. Lubricate rim and tile. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 mm between demounting head and rim. Insert lever into tile. Move pressing device opposite to demounting head. Press tile and raise tile with lever. Rotate turntable. Demount tile. Raise tile with big rolling plate to rim's smallest diameter. Demount low side. Lubricate rim and tile. Press tile behind the demounting head. Remove the big rolling plates under the tile, then lift the tile gradually until lift it up. Press tile to the smallest diameter with pressing device, then install. Inflate tile fully.